Good day everyone, this is T-Rex in the house and now we have new tutorial, okay, about what is copy, paste and cut, and we will apply this today, and I hope you listen so that you could follow the instruction. First is, what is copy? When we say copy, you want another copy or file by the help of paste. So you want another copy when we say copy, okay? When we say paste, you want to put the file that you copy or cut to the location that you want, okay? So that is paste. Okay, when we say cut, you want the file to move to another location, okay? You want to move to another location by the help of paste also, okay? So the formula is copy plus paste, and the other is cut plus paste. So first thing first, we will do copy plus paste, this one, okay? First, for example, this is your file, this is my file. All I have to do is to use the right click of your mouse. Right click of your mouse, and then it will appear this selection. All you have to do is to look for the word copy, and when you see the word copy, all you have to do is to select the copy by the use of left click of your mouse. So click the copy and then go to the place, to the new location. For example, my new location is documents, okay, and then right click here, right click again, right click and look for the word paste, and then use the left click of your mouse to select the paste. As you can see, when we use the copy plus paste, the original file here is not lost, okay? It will not gone, and it will copy another file here on the new location that you want. So that is copy and paste. How about cut plus paste? So how about cut plus paste? For example, this is my file again. All I have to do is to use the right click of my mouse, and then after that select the word cut. Then when we select the word cut, then right click here, and then okay, right click here to the new location, and then click the word paste. You can see the original file here is lost, okay, because it moved to the new location of document. So that is the word of cut plus paste, not like, okay, not like the copy and paste, the file still remain here and then you have another copy here. But cut, the file will be moved, okay? The file here will be moved to the other location. And I hope you understand what is the difference between copy and cut, okay? And I hope you could apply this. Thank you and goodbye.